This is a Bloch sphere. It is the absolute best way to visualize the single bit. If our qubit's arrow points all the way up to the North Pole, it's in the zero state, and our probability bar shows a 100% chance of measuring zero. If it points all the way down to the South Pole, it's in the 1 state, and the bar shows 100% chance of measuring a 1. But this is where quantum computing gets really interesting. A qubit's arrow can point anywhere on the surface. This is called superposition. This angle here, called theta, tells us the exact odds. Since we're closer to the zero pole, our probability bar shows high chance of measuring 0 and low chance measuring 1. Now, what happens if we move it right to the middle? This is called perfect superposition. And as you can see here, our probability bar shows a perfect 50-50 chance of being 0 or 1. This is the power of good visualization and interaction. Quantum computing is confusing when you just read theory. You have to interact with it to understand it. So we built Quantum Lings around this idea. It's not just a simulator. It's a platform with step-by-step guided learning designed to jumpstart your journey. You can try our guided journey for free by clicking the link in the description or directly going to quantumlings.com.